Hello everyone, I am Shyam, the Autos of India. Great news for gadget lovers and iPhone lovers. Finally, here is smartphone giant Apple has launched its 16th generation iPhone in Indian market, UK market and Dubai market on 13th September. A launch event along with iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Overseas market price starts at $799 and iPhone 16 Plus $899, iPhone 16 Pro $999 and iPhone 16 Pro Max starting price $1,199. While in Indian market iPhone 16 price starts at 79,900 and iPhone 16 Plus price starts 89,900. iPhone 16 Pro priced at 1,19,900 and the most premium iPhone Pro Max will cost you 1,44,900. Apple has introduced the action button to the standard model as well, which allows user to quick access features such as recording voice memos, identifying songs, translating phrases. It can also be customized by shortcut or used for an app functionally, such as locking and unlocking a car via Ford Pass app. Additionally, the iPhone 16 comes with new camera control features that enable users to adjust setting by sliding finger on the screen located on the right side below the on-off switch. The new camera control button has been added flush to the surface and protected by sapphire glass and single click opens the camera, second click capture a photo and holding it while start recording a video. There is also support for advanced touch gesture in camera control. Distinction between a full click and lighter press. A lighter press offers clean preview, aiding in framing the shot more accurately. Additionally, a new overlay provides quick access to essential camera function like zoom. New iPhone 16 offers triple powerful camera 48 plus 12 MP and 12 MP front camera. Apple has launched new iPhone 16 with many enhanced features like powerful camera, powerful processor, and OS with bigger display and new innovative AI features. The pre-order for new iPhone 16 series will start in Indian market from 13 September 5:30 p.m. and first sale of the school device will take place on 20th September. Let's check out the specification of the school device. Apple has unveiled the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus made with aerospace grade aluminum and featuring a new color infused back glass. The device comes with ultramarine, teal, pink, white and black color option. The iPhone 16 has a 6.1-inch display, while the iPhone 16 Plus offers larger 6.7-inch screen. Both models boost 2000 nits peak brightness and offers you cool display quality in sunlight also. Apple has introduced the action button to standard model as well. Let's compare new iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus features. Both phone made with aerospace grade aluminum and new color infused back glass. Available in 5 color options: ultramarine, teal, pink, white, and black color option. iPhone 16 comes with 6.1-inch display, while iPhone 16 comes with 6.7-inch display. Apple has introduced action button and standard model as well, which allows user to quickly access features such as recording voice memos and identifying songs or translating phrases. It can also customize with shortcuts or used for an app functionally, such as locking, unlocking car via Ford Pass app. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus models are powered by Apple's latest A18 chipset, which uses second generation 3nm technology. The A18 chip comes with 6-core CPU and featuring 2 performance core and 4 efficiency core, and better than existing iPhone 15's A66 Bionic chipset. Now comes to camera.